welcome to Jana's Universe. I have 67 subscribers right now. Subscribe for more videos. And I've done 2 today. I'm going to show you all my fidgets. If no one knows what fidgets are, you're there. So, I think you guys been wanting me to do a fidget video, so here I am. I'm going to do it. So, subscribe for a part 2 and like it. And hit the notification bell. There we go. Okay, everybody, this is what my fidgets are in. And so you had a room tour. Well, this is what my room looks like now. So different. Isn't that cool? So I'm still going to show you the fidgets. So here, gotta open it. Finally. Oh, it's very heavy. So I'm going to Five Below today, and I'll show you something. Here they are. So today I'm spending $25 on Five Below. So first of all, I have these glow-in-the-dark pop tubes, and there's more. So, and I have one of these snappers. They're like so cool. They're almost my mom's favorite. They're my dad's favorite. So now I have a strawberry with strawberries even on it. Here, you might not be able to see. I'll turn the camera around. See right there. Isn't that cute? It's the cutest thing I have ever seen. And the rainbow. And then I have another glow-in-the-dark pop tube. And here's a mini pop tube. I had 2 more, but I lost them. I feel so bad to lose fidgets. So I used to have a big squishy, but it broke in my car, and in my dad's car. I was playing with it, then it broke. And I got one of the color changing one. It's yellow, then it goes to orange. It's my favorite. And then more pop tubes. And then a smoothie. Oh my gosh, I love this one. And my favorite is the banana. This is my favorite one. From the grapefruit, my favorite fidget is banana. It's the best. And then I have a back to school fidget where you can pop. And then, this is not my favorite. I don't really like it. Here, don't buy this. I'd recommend not buying it. It's hard to pop oil. Do not. This is the worst pop it ever. It's the worst. You can't even pop it. Didn't even pop one. And then I have this one. My friend's hair went all in it, so ugh. And then I have a poppet ball. I love poppet balls. They're so squishy and poppety. And then I have this from the grapefruit in orange. The orange is my favorite. I love it. Okay, my friend Julia, I made a video of her and me, well, just me, but we might do a video together in 2 days. So, my first mochi. I love mochis. They're so cute. I'm gonna get this at Five Below, but 18 of them. It's so cute. This is my second favorite. And then I have this hairy ball that you can squish. It's so cool. Then Elf with a Tree. I give it a 4-star review. Yeah. 4.10. Oh my gosh, the crab is the best. I love the Krabby Crab. It's the best. Then I have the rainbow. The rainbow is so good. It's glittery, and for a second I thought it would pop bad, but it actually pops pretty good. Give it an 8. My my friend, her name's Leah, she's at my school. She gave this popsicle to me. I love foods. Then she gave, well, I had this one. My friend Audrey Lear, she gave this one to me. She's so nice because she didn't know, but she was only 4 and she gave me this. And this one is pretty popular. It's like a really good one. Oh my gosh. This one has beads in it and you squish it. It's not too bad. It's pretty good. And then this one, it's like a puppet bracelet, really pretty color. And then we have a simple dimple. That's one of my favorites. Letter ones have letters on them. Another pop tube that goes in the dark. OMG. A robot. And strawberry grapefruit. Well, it's a grapefruit. It goes with the grapefruit things. It's a strawberry. Isn't that cool? It's a neato. And then I just ripped this out of the package. It was like in a black thing where all stuff comes out. So I ripped it out so it could be more satisfying. What do you think is in this? I'm guessing water. I mean, they put cool stuff in it. I think it's water. It's definitely water. That's what I'm guessing. Then I have 2 of the hairy things, sorry. And then 2 of the hairy things. Then I have ramen noodles. My friend got me them for my birthday, Melania. Go check out our videos. Me and Melania, she got them for me and my birthday. It's like, it's a really good pocket. So, I'll give it 2. I don't really like it. Out of pocket bracelets, I have these guys. And then, out of the air bubbles, Melania got me these too. The air bubbles are so cool. And they even glow in the dark. And then, I have 2 Play-Dohs. Really putty. And Avery, go check out us. Me and Avery. Avery got me this. Thank you, putty. She went to the toy store and got me it. And ice cream. More sugar. Another air bubble. And then, out of the mini poppets, I have this. This is my favorite mini poppet also. And I have these guys. They're so cool. And then one more thing left. Monkey noodles. Now one more thing. And Play-Doh. And I'll be filming another video right after this. I promise you. So, bye. Subscribe for more videos.